Ever since the gas prices started rising, I've been getting tons of calls and inquiries about owning a Tesla, getting a used Tesla. And to me, the older Teslas are just great values right now. You can get an old Model S with free supercharging for life for a very reasonable price. So giving my friends a test drive is the best way to get people to experience the electric vehicle speed and passion, and then they will want an electric car eventually.
That's seriously quick, isn't it?
I've not been down this road before.
So what do you think?
That's nice. Wow, it drives really nice, Bryce.
What year is this, boys?
2013.
Oh, it looks so new.
Well kept.
How long have you had it?
2 years.
Cool.
Okay, you can turn around here if one of these triangles.
Oh my goodness. That's just ridiculous.
Fun, huh?
Yep.
Fantastic. Is it braking for me or something?
Yes. It's called.
Oh, wow.
It actually regenerates back into the battery.
Really?
Yeah.
Ah. That is cool. It's like a toy.
You know?
Yeah. It makes a regular car feel silly.
Yeah.
Now this is, in 2013 was the fastest Tesla they made.
Really?
But now, this is 0 to 60 in 4 seconds. The new Tesla is 0 to 60 in 1.9 seconds.
That's
Yep.
amazing.
And it does a quarter mile in 9.2 seconds.
Really?
Yeah, it's 1,100 horsepower in the new one.
It's really weird how it brakes. As soon as you take your foot off the accelerator,
Yep.
it's
It puts
slowing you down.
It puts that energy back in the battery. If you compare my older 2013 Tesla to a BMW 550i, which does 0 to 60 in 4.4 seconds and gets about 15 miles to the gallon, it's really no comparison. This car drives for free because of the free supercharging for life, and it's just such an amazing value for a used car right now. What's really cool about having a 2013 Tesla is all the technology that can be updated. I've updated the screens, a new processor, so I get Netflix car karaoke, high definition camera. All the new updates will come to this old 2013 Tesla, which is amazing. There's even a cool feature called pin to drive, so nobody can steal the car. You basically have to type in a PIN code to actually drive the car, which is really, really nice for security purposes. Please leave a comment and subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions about Teslas, please let me know. I still have a gas minivan until my wife will convert to an electric car, but they don't really make an electric minivan right now. So for now, we are a one Tesla family, but eventually we'll get there. Having the kids is really hard in a Tesla because obviously it's not as roomy as the minivan, but we'll get there eventually. And once they come out with an electric minivan, we'll probably be one of the first people to get one. Once again, I just can't tell you how happy I am with my Tesla ownership experience. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments, and I will answer every question that you guys ask. Thank you.